one modular solution. This is WorkBox, a 100% 3D printable enclosed workstation made for makers who create indoors. And when we say 100% 3D printable, we mean it. No screws, no nuts, no complicated external hardware. The printed modules connect using printed pins and clips, making WorkBox simple to assemble, take apart, repair, and configure around your space. Connect the modules, build the panels, slide in the tray, and your workstation is ready. The clear acrylic front gives you a complete view of the inside. And because it is mounted on hinges, you can easily open it whenever you need to place larger tools or projects inside. The front hand access ports allow you to work inside while keeping the enclosure closed. You can use WorkBox for soldering, sanding, carving, removing resin supports, painting small pieces, and many other maker tasks. When your work creates fumes or odors, simply connect an exhaust hose at the back to help route them away from your workspace. The roof also includes holders for USB puck lights, giving you a properly illuminated working area, even when your room lighting is not enough. And all the dust, scraps, and broken supports collect in the removable bottom tray. When you are finished, simply slide the tray out, empty everything into a bin, and place it back inside. But WorkBox is more than just an enclosed workspace. Its modular outer walls support more than 100 printable attachments for organizing the tools and supplies you use every day. You can start with a dedicated IPA bottle holder, followed by a spray can holder, a small drawer, and organizers for nuts, screws, bolts, and other small hardware. You can also add a hammer holder, an Allen key holder, and open storage attachments for the nuts, bolts, and parts you need to reach quickly. And the attachments are not limited to just one panel. You can organize your tools across almost all three outer sides of WorkBox, giving you much more storage without taking away any of the working space inside. And these are only a few examples. With more than 100 printable attachments, you can organize WorkBox around your own tools, projects, and workflow. Your tools stay outside, your work stays inside, and your room stays cleaner and more organized. WorkBox is made for bedroom makers, apartment makers, small workshops, and anyone who wants a dedicated place to create without needing an entire garage. Because not everyone has a workshop, but every maker deserves a better place to build. So what are you waiting for? Get your WorkBox today.